Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ella Berry's African Fashion Home. In today's tutorial, we are going to be learning how to make this stand collar. I promise you this collar is a very easy collar to make. I'm going to show you the easiest way to cut it and the fastest way to cut it. So if this is what you want, please try to subscribe, share, and then turn on the notification bell for more interesting videos. Much of our time, we are just going to go ahead to today's tutorial, which is the drafting of a stand collar. So our required tools are tape, our scissors, our marker, our ruler, and then our ridgeline boning, fabric. I'm just using these pieces of fabric that I have this leftover, and then the required measurement is just the neck round, and the neck stand length is based on desire, and the neck round is what you also measured. So what we are going to do is that this is our pattern. We are using this pattern paper, and also it's also our fusible gum stain. That is what we are going to be using directly on the fabric. So if you want to use yours, just mark it directly on your fusible gum stain, serving as your pattern too. So you use your ridgeline boning. It's very simple. It's a short tutorial. You just use your ridgeline boning with your pattern folded this way, folded in two like this. You place this on you use your ridgeline boning, just place it this way, just like the way I just placed it now. You place it like this. See the way I placed mine. Then you make a curve like this. Make a curve. You can go down by about, let's say, 4 inch or even 3 inch, depending on how wide your neck is. So after you must have done that, you use your you divide your neck round. Your neck round is 16 divided by 2 is 8, plus 1 inch for zipper allowance and hemming allowance. So you measure it. Is this up to 8? If it is up to 8, good. It's up to 8, just like you can see mine is up to 8, and I have 1 inch extra for my zipper allowance. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my marker to highlight it. Note that the first step you do is to go down by about 4 inch. Then from that 4 inch you place your ridgeline boning, just like the way I did it now. You mark it with your pen, then measure it if it is up to your neck round. If it is not, you go down again. You widen it up again. You understand? Till you get your neck. This is easiest way to make a neck a stand collar. So now this thing is 1 inch. My collar stand is 1 inch, so I'm just going to follow this line and mark about 1 inch, just like this, just like the way I'm doing. You mark 1 inch round, following this line. Mark 1 inch like this. You can mark 1 inch on this side and 1 inch on this side. You mark 1 inch on this side and 1 inch, then use your ridgeline boning to just join it, or you use your hand to mark it round. You mark 1 inch on this part and mark 1 inch on this part, then use your ridgeline boning to join the both points, just like I'm doing now. Very simple. Mark 1 inch from this point, 1 inch, then you join it with your ridgeline boning. So now we are going to cut out our pattern. We'll cut out our pattern like this. We cut out our pattern. You cut out our pattern like this. Yes. So this is our neck stand. As you can see it, is our neck stand. Is our neck stand like this. Can you see it? So we'll go ahead, we'll go to the, sorry, my camera is just shaky. We'll go ahead, um go to our ironing table. We'll place this on our iron table just like this. You place it, leaving out ½ inch on both sides all round for hemming allowance. You leave out 1/2 inch on both sides. We press it down on our pressing iron. Using our pressing iron, we are going to press it down. We press it down, we gum stain it, we iron it, we fuse it to our fabric, you understand, then cut it out. Then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. We are done fusing this to our fabric, so now we are just going to cut it out just like I said, leaving out ½ inch for seaming allowance, just like this. So guys, you can use so guys, this is what we've got here. So we're just going to go ahead and then cut our lining piece. You place it on another fabric, on the fabric again. You cut your lining piece or use a lining piece to cut it out. Yes, use a lining piece, you just go ahead and cut it. So this is what we have now. So we are going to go over to the machine and stitch this inner part here. This is the only part you are going to stitch here, like this, just round like this. That's what we are going to stitch, because this other part is going to be fixed to the fabric. So I'll go ahead and stitch it, then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Guys, I'm done stitching it this way. I'm done stitching it this way. I used a matching color thread. So I'm just going to go ahead and trim this excess, trim off the excess. So guys, this is what we have. You can as well go ahead to gum stain here, double gum stain here. As you add your your gum stain twice, or you can go ahead to use a thicker gum stain if you want it to stand very well. For mine, I don't. This is just for illustration purpose. That's why I use only one gum stain. You understand? I didn't double it. So we are done with trimming up the excess. Now we are going to notch this inner parts. We'll notch it so that when we iron it, it's going to definitely relax. So we'll go ahead and notch it. So you snap this edge here, snap it off, cut it off, cut it off, yes. So now we are just going to go ahead and turn it inside out like this. Turn it inside out. So next we'll go to our iron, and I'll press it down, and then I'll come back and show you guys what the final looks like. So guys, this is what we got in the end. You can see how loving is looking, and then let me try standing it so we can see. So this is what we got. You can see it's already standing. It's already standing. Yes, it's already standing and giving that stand collar shape already. Let me bring the camera close so you guys can see what I'm saying. Let me bring the camera close so you guys can see what I'm saying. And see, our stone collar is already ready. Yeah, it's as simple as this. Is a 1-inch collar stand, but we added a 1/2 inch allowance so we can as well add it, use it to add to our dress. So this is our collar. It's ready. Yes. So guys, this is the end of our video. Hope to see you in my next video. If you have been watching me to this point, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more interesting videos. Thank you. Bye bye.